Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use virtual background on Zoom. So first of all, you open the Zoom app, then you click on new meeting, or you join. If you are joining a meeting, you join it. So after you are in the meeting, so for example, I'm just in a meeting to demonstrate this to you. So when you log into the Zoom meeting, you scroll to the left and then you will see apps. So you click on the apps, then it will take you to this place where you can see virtual backgrounds. So you click on the virtual backgrounds. So it will take you to the range of all the virtual backgrounds they have. Then you look at the one you want. You can scroll down to see all that are there. Then you just click on the one you want, and then it will change your virtual background to the one you have chosen. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you follow this and you have any problem, you can leave it in the comment section. Let me also let you know that the virtual background feature is not compatible with all devices. So if you have any problem, just let me know. See you in the next video. Bye.